What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson. As you can see in the background, y'all, we starting spring break off with the guys, my sons. They just the guys, man. We left mama at home so she could get some sleep and go to work. So we started off by going to HiWire in Columbia, South Carolina. Y'all can look it up, look up reviews and all that. It's like the top for the fun place for the kids. We go here like twice or three times year, but they upgrade a lot, you in here, yo. And my oldest son, he's 16, my middle child 13, and my baby boy, he's 5. And all three of them had fun. My two oldest, you gonna see later on, they been sweating, yo. See, they got a little new area right there, just for the kids. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, but they got a little new area just for the kids. 4 years under, and I think it's like 7 years and under. They got bouncy house for 4 years and under, and the other ones, it's just one bouncy house for the 4 years and under, and the rest is for like, you know, kids like 7, between 5 and 7. They just had fun. They enjoyed themselves. Enough of that. Let's get in little clips. I'm gonna try to speed the clips up, yo, because I don't want to make it too long. And then we're gonna get down to talking about Zatzos at the end. I went to the one in the country. Then I made a mistake. alright, y'all, we finished, yo. We done, yo. My two oldest sons, they were sweating like crazy, my middle son, he wasn't sweating, yo. He wasn't sweating that much. He get that from his mom. My two oldest, they sweat just like me. I sweat real bad. We headed to Zatso's. I don't know what they want to call it, but you want to see Zatso's. They sell ice cream there. That's the main reason why we went there. But we got some food too. This place right here, yo. The ice cream was good. I ain't gonna lie, the ice cream was good, but the food, yo, it looked like they didn't care, man. And they got a 4.2 star, a 4.2 out of 5 stars, yo. I mean, that's crazy, yo. The ice cream good. I guess the people are rating the ice cream. The ice cream was good as heck, yo. But the kids, they ate their food, and I ate some of my food. You gonna see at the end. But alright, y'all want to see more family time video like this? Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell, and let me know down below in the comment. I will be uploading another video probably tomorrow. We're supposed to be going for tomorrow. See you when I see you. Peace. I'm out.